In the long tale of time, before our modern cities and towering buildings, there was a wild world where our human story began. Picture a time when Earth was vast and untamed, and humans were just a small part of it, living alongside the beasts and plants, in tune with nature. But as the ages rolled by and more people were born, something important happened. A big change that would shape how we live. It was the time when farming started, a big idea that changed everything. Imagine a group of our early ancestors, sitting around a crackling fire, their faces illuminated by the flickering flames as they share stories and ponder the mysteries of the world around them. They had spent countless days wandering the land, hunting animals and gathering whatever fruits and plants they could find to sustain themselves. But one day, as they ventured further into the wilderness, they stumbled upon something remarkable. They noticed that in certain areas, where they had previously discarded seeds from the plants they had eaten, new plants began to sprout and grow. It was as if the earth itself was offering them a gift, a sign that they could harness the power of nature to provide for their needs. Curious and intrigued, they began to experiment. They gathered more seeds and carefully planted them in the soil, tending to them with care and attention. And to their amazement, the seeds grew into tall, green stalks bearing fruits and grains, the very food they had once searched for far and wide. It was a revelation, a moment of profound discovery that changed everything. They realized that by working with the land, instead of against it, they could secure a steady source of food for themselves and their families. And so, with newfound hope and determination, they set out to cultivate the land and sow the seeds of a new way of life. Switching from hunting and gathering to farming wasn't easy. It took a lot of time and effort to learn how to grow things well. But little by little, they got better at it. They learned how to water their crops, how to take care of the soil, and how to get more food from their fields. And as they got better at farming, life changed for them. They didn't have to move around all the time anymore. They could stay in one place and build homes. They formed communities where they helped each other out and shared what they had. Imagine a small village nestled near a big river. People are busy planting crops, trading things they've made, and telling stories. It's a place where everyone knows each other and works together. From these small beginnings, big civilizations started to grow. In places like Egypt, Mesopotamia, and the Indus Valley, people built huge cities with impressive buildings and bustling markets. They developed systems of writing, laws, and government. But even when these ancient civilizations disappeared, they left behind ideas and inventions that changed the world. They showed us that working together and learning from each other can create amazing things. And so, as we look back on the past and wonder about the people who came before us, let's remember their journey. It's a journey of discovery and growth, a journey that's still going on today, shaping the world we live in.